What is going on, my good old friends of YouTube? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to another video, and cheers, by the way. I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in as always. So check it out. It's about 10:45 a.m. right now on the East Coast, and we have every index except for the Russell in the green, and the Russell is slightly in the red. It's actually about to go green. It's only down 0.04%, and this is good considering yesterday the stock market, well, you guys probably saw, did not have a great day at all. So we're bouncing back today. We have to cover that, and we have to go over some stocks I'm looking at. Google in particular, kind of what's going on there. That one's up almost 4% right now. So yeah, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe, guys, to the YouTube channel and get your free stocks for a moo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1%, guys. So use that link down below or go to stasurfest.com/moo. And again, cheers, guys. I appreciate you all for tuning in, and let's get into it. So right now, we're up across the board except for the Russell, which it looks like will go green any minute now. And let me see here. The Dow's up around 0.1%. All right, nothing crazy there. For the Dow, S&P's up almost 0.2%. QQQ's up around 0.3%, so that's leading the gains here. But overall, guys, the day's still early. You know, we're only an hour, 20 minutes into the session. These gains could easily extend throughout the rest of the day, or maybe we go red. Either way, right? But it's still early in the day, so, you know, we'll see how the rest of the day ends up transpiring. But as of now, we are bouncing. It looks like here on QQQ, back over both moving averages on the 30-minute chart. That's a big sign for the bulls, a good sign for the bulls considering yesterday QQQ, let's just say, didn't have the best day. So now we're rebounding off the lows from yesterday. That's great. And on SPY, if I pull this up, guys, let's see what's going on here. Why is it glitching on me? There we go. If I zoom in, we can see now we're bouncing off the lows from yesterday. We did not take the lows out from yesterday so far today. That's great for the bulls. And let's see if we can retake, I'd say, around 607, 608, 609. That's a big spot of resistance coming up here, no doubt. 610 in general. So yeah, guys, SPY is slightly under the 180 SMA on this 30-minute. You guys got to keep your eyes on that. But yeah, overall, guys, so far today, it's just a slight green day. Nothing too crazy. Seems like we're almost consolidating kind of at the lows from yesterday, at least on SPY and QQQ here. Slightly bouncing off the lows from yesterday, which is good. But we just need more trading. We just need more time. You know, it's only 10:45, 10:50 a.m. East Coast time right now. So we're going to need a couple more hours to see kind of how this thing shakes out. But for now, that is what I'm noticing. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, guys, and sign up to the email list. By the way, it's free, linked in the description box. So look here, guys. Google, Alphabet, ticker symbol GOOG, is up over 4% today, exploding back into the 180s. We're at 184 now. We hit 188 earlier in the day. So at one point earlier in the day, guys, we were up, let's see here, folks, about 6%. We were moving and grooving, still are, but we were up even more earlier in the day. And this is as Google, well, unveiled a new quantum chip. Let me actually pull up this article right now so we can go through this together, guys, which this is just groundbreaking news. Just when, you know, Google, the stock is hurting. Oh my God, what's going to happen? Is ChatGPT going to eat their lunch? Is the traditional search engine dying? That business, right? Oh my God, is TikTok going to take their lunch? Oh, Gen Z's going to TikTok for search over Google. You know, just when all these fears are flying everywhere around the stock, they introduce a new quantum chip, new breakthrough here. So let's go down here and read a little bit on what's going on. And guys, I'm not an expert in quantum, anything really, but we're going to go through what we're seeing here and kind of try and understand together what is going on. So we can see there's a lot of investor confidence today, obviously, following the company's unveiling of its new quantum computing chip, which is called Willow. I'm not sure if you guys saw that, but that's what it's called, Willow. And this chip got introduced yesterday on Monday, and the CEO of Google, Sundar Pichai, he was highlighting its ability to significantly reduce computational errors and its performance in benchmark tests. Pichai emphasized the chip's potential in practical applications, stating, quote, we see Willow as an important step in our journey to build a useful quantum computer with practical applications in areas like drug discovery, fusion energy, battery design, and more. And the new chip, according to Pichai, has achieved two major milestones. Listen to this. It can exponentially decrease errors with the addition of more qubits, addressing a quantum error correction challenge that has persisted for nearly 3 decades. In addition, Willow completed a standard benchmark computation in less than 5 minutes, a task that would take one of the fastest supercomputers today more than 10 septillion years. Wait a second, 10 septillion years? Oh my God, that's like unreal to even think about. I can't even fathom that many years, guys. Either way, a task that would take the fastest supercomputers 10 septillion years, Willow now does that in less than 5 minutes. That's actually scary to think about. Oh my God, that's unbelievable. But yeah, this development is part of Google's. I'm like trying to understand this. I'm like thinking to myself, oh my God, 10 septillion years in under 5 minutes? Yeah, crazy. This development is part of Google's long-term commitment to quantum computing, which obviously is important, a big space, a vision that began over a decade ago when Pichai founded Google Quantum AI in 2012. That's on the NASDAQ QMCO. And the goal is to build a quantum computer that leverages quantum mechanics to advance scientific discovery and address societal challenges. So, yeah, man, this is nuts. This is big, very big. And Elon Musk even tweeted or X'd, whatever the heck it's called, posted. He said, wow, on X, pretty much expressing his astonishment in this massive step for Google, for quantum computing in general, right? So this is big, guys. Very good news for Google. And again, I'm not an expert on this by any stretch of the imagination. I'm learning here with you guys. I'm sure a lot of you know more than me on quantum computing, stuff like that. But yeah, we're gonna monitor this as it's unfolding here. We're gonna continue. Can I talk today, guys? To do updates here, and yeah, I'm excited to learn more and more as time goes on. But yeah, that's the big news from Alphabet, from Google, sending the stock up 4%, and it's breaking out now to multi-month highs. And now we're less than what, $10? Yeah, $10 away from all-time highs, which we hit back in July at $193 per share. So yeah, guys, I'm long Google. You all know that. I was buying shares on this recent dip, and let me tell you, I am very glad I was doing that. So that's GOOG. Let me do a couple more very quickly here, guys. Looks like Chewy is moving today. Ticker symbol CHWY. Nothing too crazy, but it's moving a little bit here. Looks like the uptrend is holding, and I'm waiting for the full-on pop here on Chewy. I think there could be more upside, maybe towards the mid-high 30s on this thing. We'll see. Ticker symbol CHWY. WY. Let's see what else is moving here today, guys. Tesla, TSLA. What else is new, right? Tesla is now up over $400 a share. The triangle, which, by the way, not to toot my own horn, we called it out a couple of videos ago. That completely played out. Triangle's playing out. Now we're hitting over 400. We hit 407 today, which I think, wait a second, okay, not an all-time high, but now we're about $7 away. Well, we were at that point from all-time highs. Now we're about $14 away from all-time highs. Either way, we're really close. So, guys, you got to watch Tesla. You got to watch Chewy. And, of course, Alphabet, Google, which, honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if this piece of news that we got over the next couple of days, let's just say by the end of the year, I wouldn't be surprised if this pushed Alphabet stock, Google, to all-time highs. That's a bold prediction. We're about, $10 away, so roughly, 3-4%. I think we could hit all-time highs before the end of the year after this news. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe the market sells the news the next couple of days here, and then it drops like a brick. That could also happen. But this is a big step where I don't know. I don't necessarily think that's going to happen. I don't know. We'll see. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. Hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Check out the Patreon. I actually just posted a portfolio update on Patreon. That's linked down below. And don't forget to also get your free stocks. Open up your Moomoo account, fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, it's a no-brainer. Clock's ticking. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.